the speakers, and I'll let you know. Alright guys, so after listening to it, testing it out, the speakers are definitely, it's loud. I think it's loud enough for most people. Today we're taking a look at this 2.1 channel soundbar. Alright guys, so this is your subwoofer. It's actually a really nice box, nice housing unit. Vented, so that's good. Okay. I like it, that's very clean. Very, very clean. This is your actual sound bar. DC in, SW out, optical, AUX, USB, HDMI for the RC ARC if you want to do that. On and off. Power supply, just standard tube prong power plug. When plugged in, you'll see there should be a little light there. Give you, I mean, pretty much everything you need. Your HDMI cable, AUX cable, you got a remote, optical cable, manual. Wow, pretty much everything you need. Press and hold the button right here to turn it on. So ours on Bluetooth setting was called HD029. So it's now connected. I can't let you guys hear music or it's going to be muted and the whole video will get muted. So I'm going to test this out, but I will let you hear the audio with just talking. So let's bring up this one. And we can test this out here. So you have tons of different options here. So we got it connected. You have your on and off. All your different modes. I'm cool. So we got our video playing. Charge and ports right on here. That's so awesome. Okay, so it does skip.
This looks so easy to put together.
That's cool.
Okay, take this bracket, set the arrow facing the same way the wire is coming.
Alright, so I'm going to now listen to some music because we want to test out the bass and let you guys know how the sub is. We're going to max out the speed, the speakers, and I'll let you know. Alright guys, so after listening to it, testing it out, the speakers are definitely, it's loud. I think it's loud enough for most people. The bass isn't like eardrum pounding, but it's actually really good bass for what you get. I think most people will be happy with the bass on that. The treb's a little bit turned up. We can definitely play with that a little bit. But overall, I think it's a legit soundbar and subwoofer. I don't really have any complaints with it. It paired easy. So I think it's going to be a nice soundbar for our custom projects in the future.